What's that popping sound?
Popping sound. First things first, it's not bone hitting bone, nothing like that. And it's not a vertebral flatulence, even though people do fart when they get adjusted.
They do.
And I do too, but that's a different story.
He does.
Yeah. But the popping sound is actually air being released from the joint. When you have an adjustment, you have air being released because you have pressure being released, and then that makes the air or the gas not soluble anymore on the synovial fluid. So you get nitrogen gas, you get oxygen and carbon dioxide being released from the joint. So that's the heat, the noise you hear. Take it like you have a bottle of champagne and you pop the cork. Same thing, you release pressure. The carbon dioxide is no longer soluble or dissolved, and you hear the same sound. Right?
Yep, it is. And people try to crack their own joints. And can you talk about why that's not a good idea?
Yes. The thing is that most people, when they crack their own joints, most times they're not doing it correctly. When we do a chiropractic adjustment, we do apply a specific force in a specific area at a specific direction, trying to move stuff. And the thing is that when you release that, it's just set up correctly. That's why it's called an adjustment. When people do it, most times they just grab, for example, let's say you're gonna crack a neck. Most people kind of hold here, and turn. That is not a specific contact, that is not specific. So most likely you're gonna be moving stuff that is already moving, and it's just gonna make stuff hypermobile. It's gonna get out of position more often and creates an urge to do it again. The problem is that you do feel better, because it feels better because you're still producing endorphins, which is the happy hormone, so you feel good. But it's not the same concept. You're not setting up things correctly, and you're just gonna make it's gonna cause arthritis, in the long run, because you're gonna make the stuff that is not moving to not move, and the stuff that is moving to move more.
Very good explanation. Yes. We have many patients that are afraid to try chiropractic because they are afraid of the popping or cracking concept. We have many of our patients that do not have that method done. We actually have a very safe a tool that we use called an activator. So we put this on an area that needs to be adjusted and give it a click. And we use this on newborn infants all the way up to elderly with osteoporosis. So it's all about moving the vertebrae in the proper position. So it's a great alternative if you don't like the cracking or popping. All right. So basically, stop popping your own neck.
Stop it. Don't do it.
You guys have a great week. Thanks for listening.
Take care.